welcome back everyone to the channel. I'm currently in Hua Hin at the Central train station. I did a YouTube video prior to this one about the one in Nan Kay, which is just a few kilometers down from here, the next stop down. So I wanted to come over to this old historic one and kind of show you around a little bit. So it's kind of noisy, it's a very busy area. So as always, I'm just going to turn the camera around, do a little walking, do a little talking, show you a few things and go from there. Hope you enjoy this old, beautiful old train station in Hua Hin, Central Hua Hin, Thailand. You can see the new elevated track that was put in. It was completed, I think, just a few years ago, and it leads all the way down to the new station, which the new station kept its old style architecture and colors, which I like, which we'll walk down there also and let you see a little bit more of that. It's a very busy area. Over here to the left, in kind of the center of the roundabout, there's some train cars and a spirit house and just some other displays. At night, these trees you can probably see have lights hanging down from them. At night they're illuminated and they look very beautiful at night. But it is a busy area. I'm not sure if the old tracks are still in use or not. If anybody knows, just leave a comment down below and let me know. But I do know the elevated tracks are used quite frequently because I'm not far from them actually, where I'm currently staying. Hope they keep these maintained because, like I said, they've got a lot of history and they go back many years. That in this harsh tropical environment, things deteriorate rapidly. So it will take some upkeep and maintenance to keep these in good shape, and I hope they do. I really do. Instead of letting them go down and then try to save them at the end before it's too late. Looks like a little golf course over there. I have to check that out. Not that I'll play golf, but it'd be interesting to see. Looks like that's where the ticket sales used to be in the assembly point before getting on the train. At some point they had installed looks like a monitor screen. It made some of these old buildings like into a coffee shop, restaurant type place also. Looks like an old steam engine. They've got one similar to that in Kanchanaburi. When I go back there, I plan on doing another YouTube there as well. Old benches have seen better days, but they're pretty cool. Flowers are beautiful. Got some railroad workers. Yeah, so 9K is where my first video was done at. 3.97, I guess that means kilometers, because they don't use the mile system here, which is basically about 4 kilometers, which is around a little over 2 miles. So now to the right we can see a lot of the news station. And since I'm here for a couple more weeks, I may even come here and take a train up to Cheyenne and spend a few hours and then take the train back. I think it's third class seats that are available for that journey, meaning no aircon, windows down, fans going. Looked like it's only a 40-45 minute journey, so I could put up with it for that period, especially if it's early when I go. But we'll see. The non-K station is right before that big tall building at the end of the line there. That's the Holiday Inn, and the non-K station is actually right in front of it. So it's really not far in the grand scheme of things. Yeah, beautiful new station, elevated tracks. I hope they continue to make progress with their train and rail system here. It's really cheap, efficient way of transportation, but the trains and the stations do need some upgrading terribly. Alright, so now I'm just going to walk over here by these rail cars, shoot a little video of that. This will be a short video. I hope to do a few more of these old train stations. I will do another one when I get to Kanchanaburi next month, at the end of next month, right around Thanksgiving time. But I think they're cool. A lot of history here. I took a walk from my condo this morning, which is not bad because it had rained tremendously last night, so it's cooler. But when the sun comes out, it's going to be humid. So I'm going to turn around, camera again, walk a little bit more, and then we'll end it. I guess parking is like right in these little areas like this. I do see some vehicles parked over there. I don't know if they're for employees or I see motorcycles, so I guess that's some parking too under the overhead part. So it looks like there's motorcycle parking to the left, vehicle parking over to the right underneath the overpass of the train system, and there is some parking here. So if you did want to come park your vehicle and take a trip and have it here when you come back, it looks like that option is available, which I kind of thought it would be. I just wasn't sure where it was located. Flowers are beautiful here. Like I said, these old benches have seen better days, but it's cool. Metal. Here's some of the old rail cars that's on display. Like I said, at night this is a very beautiful area because the lights hanging from the trees light up and this whole area is illuminated. It is busy, so if you're going to walk this area, just keep your head on a swivel and look. Most people will try to avoid you, but you don't want to step out in front of somebody that's not paying attention. Okay, so that's it for me. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around of the Hua Hin Central train station. Hope to do a few more of these for you. You can also check in my videos, and you'll see the one I did at non-K as well. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hope you keep following me for my next adventure. Peace out from Hua Hin. See ya.